When choosing the right extension cord for the job, there are a few things to consider before making your purchase. First, where and how will it be used? Extension cords are either rated for indoor or outdoor use. However, some are rated for both. Outdoor cords fall under 4 categories: light duty, medium duty, heavy duty, and extra heavy duty. While a heavy-duty cord can be used for almost all job site and rugged applications, you would not want to use a light-duty cord for heavy-duty work. Second, how many amps does your tool or equipment need? Amps are determined by the gauge and length of the extension cord. A 25-foot 14-gauge cord allows for 15 amps, but drops to 13 amps for a 100-foot. However, a 12-gauge cord allows 15 amps for both 25-foot and 100-foot. It's important to get the correct extension cord to maintain your tool's lifespan. For example, a table saw might need a 15-amp cord, but an electric drill might only need a 13-amp cord. Always check your tool, equipment, or packaging for the amp requirements. Third, what type of plug do you need? There are extension cords designed to accept 2-prong, 3-prong, and specialty plugs. There are also cords that include multi-outlet options to fit your application. So when buying an extension cord, ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Where and how will it be used? 2. How many amps does your tool or equipment need? 3. What type of plug do you need? Follow these steps and you should have no problem picking out the perfect Southwire extension cord for your job.